So this is basically what you need to fry your plantain. You have your plantain right here. So this is what your plantain should be looking like if you want it sweet and soft. Yes, I'm not doing the hard one, so this is why I get the plantain looking like this, like it's bruised up and ugly and all of that. Yeah, this is how I grew up seeing my mom, auntie, cousin. You know, I live in an extended family house, so that's how the plantain used to look. Alright, so now we're gonna cut the two sides. Put the skin right here, so, and let me show you guys. You don't even have to use a plate. Let me show you guys a little trick right here. Put it in two. This is what you want it to look like. So you also have the skin to hold it just like so, and do the same thing for this one. See how ugly the skin look, but inside is really nice. I'm going to cut them just like this. You could cut them if you want this way, but I like it this way, the long way. So you go like this. We are all finished, and this is basically what your cut up plantain should look like if you want it using this size. All right, this is the size I want, so this is how I'm going to fry them. Okay, so if you want to learn the next step, come on, let's go. To my frying pan, I'm going to add some oil. My oil is heated, and I am going in with my plantains. Okay? And just give it room so all of them can fry. Alright, so we're gonna come back like roughly 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, so see you guys soon. And if you could see, it's changing its color at the edge. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna flip it over. Yeah, guys. All right, and we are ready to take them out. Let's get into golden brown. Look at that. Look also good. We're gonna just put it like that on paper towel so the excess oil can be drained off because it sucks up a lot of oil. Like this, please don't give me any. All right, let's move on to the next step. Second batch. All right, we're gonna flip it over because it's changing the color on the edge. So now I'm gonna remove this bad boy and put on the paper towel. One thing with plantain, they do soak up a lot of oil. So please look at that. This is the other ones that I have put over this side. Here it is. I'm going to put it down so the excess oil can go down. Alright, so just put it aside and get the excess oil off. Too much grease isn't good. So, and there you have it, the finished product of my fried plantain the Jamaican way. So if you enjoyed this simple, quick and easy recipe, please do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button, comment below and let me know what you think about this recipe, and also comment below and let me know if you have tried fried plantain before. If you like the soft one, the ripe one, or the green one, let me know in the comment section. All right, so there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Bye, guys.